Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer from MetaMask to Phantom Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MetaMask mobile application and then select that particular network first which you want to use in order to initiate this transfer. Now, let's say you want to switch to Ethereum main network, then you need to tap on this drop down button in the top, and after that you just have to select your Ethereum main network. Now, once this step is done, you just have to import that token which you want to transfer. Let's say you want to transfer USDT based on the Ethereum main network. So in order to import it, you need to tap on import tokens, and here in the search bar you need to search for USDT. Once you are able to find it, you need to select it, then press next. After that, tap on the import button in order to import it successfully. Now once it is over here, you just have to tap on it and scroll down and press send. Now here it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So in order to find this address, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet application. Over here, you just have to simply tap on the receive option, and here, since we have selected the USDT on the Ethereum network, you need to copy the Ethereum code from here, then go back to your MetaMask account and provide the address in this section. After that, you need to press next in the bottom. Then it will ask you to provide the amount that you want to transfer. So you just have to enter the amount and press next. Now here on the next page, you just have to simply review the details that you have mentioned. Then it will show you the gas fees and some of other details. So you just have to simply conclude your payment, and once your payment is completed, you will receive your crypto into your Phantom Wallet from MetaMask. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.